Welcome back to another video. Today we have the Milwaukee M12 rocket light. It's the 2132-20. It is powered by cord or battery, as it says right there. It says Milwaukee Tool USA, Brookfield, Wyoming. Alright, starting off, we got some a poster here for all the Milwaukee tools. We got some instructions. We got the tool itself. I gotta say, it's pretty small. It's not that big. I am actually using the M18 rocket light right now, and this is pretty small. Also, guys, don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this, make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTube is a platform by subscribers and likes. And I also just want to give a big shout out to my brother. This is his light. So this is a really nice light. So a big shout out to him for letting us borrow the tool so we can do this video. It's pretty much like the other rocket light. And then just pull this, squeeze these two, and then just pull this up. It locks into place. And then just basically pull this up, and it's pretty tall. I would say it's about 5 feet. That's how you turn it. I do have the other Milwaukee light currently, the one I'm filming with, so you guys will see a comparison. M18 and the M12. You guys see there. The other one's about, I would say, about 6-7 feet tall. This one's about 5 feet, the M12. You're able to run a cord, a power cord through this. Alright, here's the on and off button. As you guys do see, you guys get a nice gauge. So then again, high, medium, and off. I gotta say, both of them are the same color of lights. I know one looks bluer than the other. Actually working on this room. I'm remodeling this room. Got all my equipment there, the compressor, the caulk gun, and everything. So disregard the construction. Anyways, so both of the lights are on right now. I'm gonna go ahead and turn off the M18. And I'm gonna turn off the ambient lights. So I gotta say, it's big enough for a room. I'm gonna turn it this way. As you guys see there, it's actually big enough for a whole room, the lights. So let's turn this one on first. Let's turn this one off. You guys can tell the difference between the M18 and the M12. I gotta tell you guys about this big M18 light. It's huge and it's really heavy. And you guys see the tripod, how big this thing is. It takes a lot of space in the workspace, in the work area, you know. Now this one, you can put it in any little corner and it'll light you up. And it's light and you can just carry it around anywhere you go. If you guys go camping, you got a small truck or a small car, this is the perfect light for you. We got it on high right now. I'm gonna go ahead and push the button again so we can turn it on low. Alright, that is low. That is in low mode. I gotta say, that is plenty of light. That is definitely plenty of light for you to work with if you keep this on low. I know it doesn't look like much because you were comparing it to the M18, which it has huge amounts of lights, but it does eat a lot of electricity. You gotta have at least an 8 amp hour battery if you want to go through all day. I guess this one does take a little bit less. But you know what, I would definitely recommend you guys run on this light. you definitely want to run a 6 amp hour battery on this light, at least a 3 or a 4, so get some decent time on this. Well, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools, make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform, by subscribers and likes. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you guys on the next one.